Hi students, Olevels Online presents the video lecture series for adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the Exam Tips Part 1 for depreciation. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Levels upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE, for accounting 7707 or 0452. Let's begin the exam tips material. In this exam tips series, we will cover the both accounting 0452 and 7707 syllabus coverage. Let's move towards the next slide. As per the Cambridge syllabus, we have covered all the topics they are mentioned in it. Like, depreciation definition, reason for depreciation, methods for depreciation calculations, ledger accounts and journal entries for provision for depreciation and recording steps, ledger accounts and journal entries for disposal of non-current assets. Let's move towards exam tips. An exam tip is a piece of advice, or a practical suggestion intended to help students perform better in their exams. So, move towards the exam tips. In tip number 1, we will talk about what is tangible assets. A tangible asset is the physical item of value that can be touched and used by the business or individuals. These assets have a definite physical form and are typically used in the production of goods and services. Let's move towards the next tip. In tip number 2, students have to know about what depreciation is. At the end of the year, tangible assets value is decreased. This is called depreciation. Let's move towards the next tip. In tip number 03, we will examine the causes of depreciation. Firstly, physical deterioration, and further classifications are wear and tear, erosion, rust, rot and decay. Physical deterioration of fixed assets refers to the decline in the condition and performance of tangible assets over time due to various factors, which are classified above, resulting in a decrease in their value and efficiency. Secondly, economic factors and further classifications are obsolescence and inadequacy. Economic factors affecting fixed assets include aspects that influence the value and utility of these assets due to changes in the broader economic environment. Obsolescence refers to the reduction in the value or utility of fixed assets due to advancements in technology or changes in market preferences. Even if an asset is still functional, it can become obsolete if newer, more efficient, or more desirable alternatives become available. Inadequacy refers to the situation where a fixed asset is no longer sufficient to meet the demands of the business. Unlike obsolescence, which is about the asset becoming outdated, inadequacy is about the asset being insufficient in capacity or capability. Thirdly, accidental damage to fixed assets refers to unexpected and unintentional harm or impairment caused to physical assets, which can result in a decrease in their value, functionality, or lifespan. These incidents can disrupt operations, incur repair costs, or even necessitate the replacement of the affected assets. Fourthly, deferred maintenance of fixed assets refers to the practice of postponing or delaying maintenance activities that are necessary to keep assets in optimal working condition. This postponement can be due to budget constraints, lack of resources, or other priorities. However, deferring maintenance can lead to various negative consequences over time. Fifth one is negligence of fixed assets. It refers to the failure to properly care for, maintain, or protect physical assets that belong to an organization or individual. This negligence can result in damage, deterioration, or loss of value to the assets, impacting the organization's operations, finances, and overall efficiency. Sixth one, the time factor of fixed assets refers to the concept that fixed assets have a limited useful life over which they provide benefits to the organization. Seventh one, exhaustion of fixed assets refers to the process by which certain types of assets are gradually used up or consumed in the production of goods or services. Eighth one, non-usage over time of fixed assets refers to the condition where certain assets remain idle or unused for extended periods, either due to operational changes, technological advancements, or shifts in organizational priorities. This situation can lead to inefficiencies, depreciation, and underutilization of valuable resources within an organization. Finally, the market trend of fixed assets refers to the prevailing conditions and changes in the valuation, demand, and investment behavior related to tangible assets within a specific industry or market. These are the causes of depreciation. You people have to know their in-depth understanding because examiner are asking these things in multiple choice questions and theory related in paper number. This situation can lead to inefficiencies, depreciation, and underutilization of valuable resources within an organization. Finally, the market trend of fixed assets refers to the prevailing conditions and changes in the valuation, demand, and investment behavior related to tangible assets within a specific industry or market. These are the causes of depreciation. You people have to know their in-depth understanding because examiner are asking these things in multiple choice questions and theory related in paper number 2. Let's move towards the next tip. In tip number 4, we will examine the nature of depreciation. The nature of depreciation refers to the systematic allocation of the cost of a tangible asset over its useful life. So, it refers to the expense in nature during accounting treatment. In tip number 5, businesses need to record depreciation for several important reasons, primarily related to accurate financial reporting, to ascertain true value of fixed assets, to retain funds for replacement, to reduce tax liability, and effective management of fixed assets. These are the reasons which are emphasized for businesses to record depreciation. Hopefully, you got a clear understanding of the causes, nature and reasons for recording of depreciation according to examination point of view. If you have any queries regarding this discussion, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.